Thank you for watching this video. Please click on the like and subscribe buttons so that I can continue to make more videos like this.
The next bend we're going to make is called a field offset. This is a good type of bend to use when you have a non-standard angle, and if you're working on a project where you have to work a little bit faster, and especially if the work is going to be concealed, this is a good way to make a quick offset that works very well. So let's start off in this situation. I'm just taking a scrap piece of pipe here, and again, this works with a non-standard angle. So I'm going to bend 30 degrees. Well, roughly, we know when our handle's straight up and down, we're about 30. And I'm going to bend more than 30. And I'm less than 45 on that. So now I want to match this angle and make an offset that's 8 inches over our block like we've been doing. So once again, I'm going to use the handle of a bender as a straight edge. And I'm going to place this first bend that we made up against the bender handle, using it like a straight edge, just like this. Okay, now we remember on our block here, it's 8 inches for an offset. So we have to measure 8 inches. Now the nice thing about a field offset is we don't have to calculate for multipliers or shrinkage or anything like that. And that's the advantage in this situation too. So I know I want 8 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the 8-inch mark of my tape right at the edge of that bender handle. And I'm just going to line it up so that this front edge of my tape touches the pipe. And you want to make sure that your tape is coming straight off your bender handle. You're not at an angle that's exaggerated, but you don't want to be at a slight angle. You want to be coming perpendicular to the bender handle. And so I've got the front edge of the tape at the pipe, and so I'm going to make a mark right there. Now it's time to bend the pipe, and I'm going to use an air bend to start this with. And the technique for this now, okay, we're going to take a close look here. I've got my mark here, and I want to place that mark on the star mark of my bender. Okay, so that's the mark we want to use, the star mark. So I line that up, and I'm going to again look down the bender and make sure my pipe is straight in the bender. So I'm going to start bending it with the... Now remember, we know that we're more than 30 degrees on our bend. So I've got it to about 22 degrees right now. And what I'm going to do is flip this over and finish this bend off on the floor. Now, the way that I know that I've got my bend complete is I'll put my level out here. And when this is level, then I know that my offset is finished. So once again, I know I'm greater than 30 degrees, and I know when my handle's straight up and down, that's 30 degrees. So I know I have to go a little bit past this. So I'm going to take a look now. Okay, I can see I've got to go up a little bit more. Alright, that looks pretty good. So now let's take a look at and see how this fits. I can place this down. Okay, I can see here, you can notice I got a little bit of a rock in here. And that tells me that this bend needs to be a little bit more. In other words, our second bend. So I'm just going to take the bender and put a little bit more in that. And I'm just going to use an air bend on this, do it quickly. Put this down here. And there we have a nice fit. We're flat on this surface, nice transition up. We're flat again on our second surface. So as you can see, the field offset is a nice way to make a bend, and it's very quick, and we don't have to calculate for shrinkage, and we don't have to calculate for or use any kind of multipliers to lay this out.
Thank you for watching this video. Please click on the like and subscribe buttons so that I can continue to make more videos like this. If you find this video helpful, please consider donating using the PayPal link below. Thank you.